Good day mga ka-cheers, mga kapwa-kogoro. So this video will guide you, will help you on how to make a summary, how to encode and make a summary of the result of your literacy and numeracy exam result. So kakatapos na natin itong ibigay na exam for this month for the year-end exam for senior high school literacy and numeracy test. So para madali, gumawa ko dito ng folder, no? So all of the result of the score sheets na binigay ng mga advisor subject teachers, dito ko nilagay, including the summary for the spreadsheet summary, no? So buksan natin. So here, as you can see, we have the score sheets, the results of every subject area. So dalawa lang ito ng ating kinandak, no? Sa literacy is dalawang subjects. We have the Filipino and English, and under the numeracy is only the mathematics. So ito yung mga sections na nagbigay ng result nila, score sheets. So paano ba ito ilalagay sa ating school summary? So unang-una, i-open natin yung ating spreadsheets where we're going to encode the summary for the result of literacy exam. So buksan natin. So ito yung ganitsura, no? First, you have to enable editing. Ito, huwag kalimutan i-click para mapalitan yung mga laman. Okay. So ito yung ganitsura. Yan. So gagawin nyo dyan, since this is for literacy, lahat lang nung under literacy ng mga results dito nyo ilalagay. So huwag nyo halo dun sa numeracy. So ganyan po yan, tandaan po ninyo yan. Okay. So balik tayo sa folder. So first, encode natin yung result for ito, score sheet for literacy ECP. Ito yung section, no? Section nila. Okay. So ito unahin ko. Open ko ito. Dito, mapapansin ninyo, we have two subjects, the Filipino and English. To get the summary, you proceed to the class summary. Dito na kayo mag-proceed, no? Dito na sa class summary para makuha yung result. Yan, so nakikita niyo dyan yung class summary. So i-copy lang yan. Ito, i-copy mo lang yan, lahat yan. So copy, then paste it to the spreadsheet for literacy, itong dito. So makikita nyo dito, no, rules for pasting. So dapat ay naka-value siya, naka-numbered value. Yan. So click. So yun, pumasok na isang section. So kunin pa natin yung ibang section. Another section, itong UMS. Unahin natin itong ISMAO kasi TBL ito. Itong ECP, TBL, ISMAO is TBL din, no? Okay, so click ko ito. And just like the previous one, we'll proceed to the class summary. Dito na. No, huwag na niyo pakialaman ito kasi natapos na ito ng mga subject teacher. So dito tayo. So copy mo yan, copy po natin yan. Copy, then open natin yung spreadsheets for summary ng literacy. So paste natin. Okay. So nandiyan yung result. Another section, proceed tayo dito sa UMS. Dalawang section na lang natira, no, for literacy. So open ko ito. So proceed tayo sa class summary. Okay, copy the summary. and paste it to the literacy summary dito. Okay, numbered value. So ayan, pumasok na. And next, meron pang isang section, we have last section, ito, UMS B. So proceed to the class summary. So get the result, copy, and paste natin doon sa ating summary, literacy summary. Right click, numbered value. Okay, so we are done now the result of the literacy for both Filipino and English. So ito na yung kanyang result, lahat-lahat na ito, So kung gusto niyo i-check, ito yung mga pinaka total niya sa subject na ito, Filipino and English. So isave natin ito. Now we are done now for the summary of the literacy. Next, we will get the summary for numeracy. So i-close ko muna ito. Na-save naman. Punta tayo dito. So here is the spreadsheet for the encoding of the numeracy results. So ito, same process, same process yung gagawin natin. Enable editing, then open the file for numeracy. So hanapin natin ito sa ating folder. Okay, so ito. Next na gagawin natin is open natin yung mismong score sheet. So ito siya, dalawang section lang ng exam. Okay, so proceed to the class summary, copy the class result or class summary result, copy that one and paste it to the saan na ba yun, numeracy. Ito, i-off ko muna ito, ay close ko muna ito, iba pa rin tayo malito. Okay, so dito tayo summary, then paste value, number value. Okay, pumasok na. Another section, kunin natin itong section B ng UMS. Open natin. And then the class summary. Kopyahin natin ito. Then paste into the summary of numeracy. Okay. Numbered value, pag-paste. Okay, so that's it. Tapos na tayo sa ating numeracy. So isave na natin. You can also check the result, school summary result. Nandito na. Okay. So next na gagawin natin is the uploading. Paano mag-upload? Okay. So nandito yung ating nandito yung ating link to upload the result. So kopyahin na natin yan. Siguro pari-pariho lang all throughout the country. The same link din ito. Excuse me. So copy that one. Of course we need the internet connection for this because this is online submission. So open any any browser. So ito, no? So we are now on the the dashboard of the BLD. Okay, so in my case I already submitted our result. So what we are going to do now is to show you the process, no? So siyempre hindi na ako magsasubmit kasi nakasubmit na kami. Nagsubmit na ako kanina sa school, no? Hindi ko lang na videohan. So I'll show you the process. So, we will submit first the result for the literacy assessment. So since this is senior high school, dito tayo mag-open dito sa part na ito, senior high school literacy assessment. Before I forgot, so dito sa ating summary, huwag natin kalimutan ilagay yung school ID at saka school name. If you forgot to put that one in this area, you might be not able to upload online kasi itatanong yan ng system. So ilagay natin. Nakalimutan natin kanina, no? Okay, so i-save natin ulit. Okay, so ganoon din sa isa, doon sa ating numeracy result, lagyan din natin ng school ID at saka school name. Okay, save. Now we are good to go. We can now proceed. Okay, so select natin yung region 12, North Cotabato. Okay, so district natin, Pikit North. So as I've said earlier, we already submitted our result nung pa ako sa school kanina. So ginagawa natin ito just to show you the process, no? Okay, so kanina lang ilagay natin yung pangalan ng school. Yan. Okay, so since na dito tayo sa literacy magpapasa ng result, we will look for the result of the literacy. So in my case, dito ko siya na-save sa desktop. I created this folder for easy access, LAN 2026. Open natin yan. And then, click for the literacy folder under school summary. So, ito yun. Okay. So, yan yung ating summary. So, makikita nyo yan, no? Yan na. Okay. So, click next. Ito na, no? So these are the result for the literacy. Yan. So next is submit. So I will not going to click this one because we already submitted the result. So ganun lang yung process na gagawin, no? So this is for the literacy. So you can review the result before submission. Yan. The same process doon sa ating numeracy. Okay. So ulitin natin para makuha. So dito tayo sa numeracy. Click natin yan. Select region. And division natin, North Cotabato kami. District is Pikit North. School ID. Name of our school, Takipan High School. Okay. So hanapin natin yung numeracy. So ulitin ko na, nakasubmit na kami. So may magpa-pop up dyan. Ayan. So may magpa-pop up dyan kasi nakasubmit na kami. Yan. No? So siyempre hindi ko i-click yung submit kasi nakasubmit na kami. So but all in all, that is the process. Okay? So ganun lang, no? Ganun lang yung process on how to submit the result for numeracy and literacy assessment for senior high school. Okay, so that's all. So if you learn something from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so that you will be updated for my upcoming video upload. Okay, thank you very much and more power to each and everyone.